Hi, my name is Mr. Landis and welcome to my 2021 open house video for Brookside High School. I'm going to put my mask up and we're going to walk in the building. Camera here. This is known as the event entrance. If you're a car rider or park in the senior lot, this will be probably where you come into the building. It's locked during school hours. I have a badge to get in. If you're a bus rider, you'll get off in the front. I missed it. Here's a new sign. Cardinals, stay at home if you're sick. Wear a face mask inside the building. Wash your hands often. Cough into your elbows and allow for personal space. Another new addition this year is we have hand sanitizer at pretty much every doorway, both into the building and inside the classrooms. These are some robotics trophies and banners that we have won over the years. I'm also the cross country and track coach and the robotics coach. So if you're coming to my room, from the event entrance, you'll take the left down this hall towards the band room, and I'm the second door on the left, room 506. So here we are. As you can see, this is a computer lab in the front, and with workspace for working on robots in the back. I'm going to flip it around so you can see me. And I'm the only one in the room right now, so I'm going to go ahead and take my mask off so you can see me a little better. If you have me as a teacher this year, I'm teaching 4 classes this semester, and those are Intermediate Math 4, 3D Modeling, Computer Science Discoveries, and CISS 121, which is College Credit Microsoft Office. Now, the math course will be in Mrs. Hirschauer's room 214, but we're not going to walk all that way today. 3D Modeling, Computer Science Discoveries, and Microsoft Office should all be in this room. We have 16 computers, and right now I never have all of them filled, so we should be able to sit every other person, so you'll have plenty of space around you, and then the work areas will be sprayed and wiped down in between classes. All my classes will have online components. If you're in a certain part of the alphabet, you'll come to school Monday and Tuesday, and you'll have online work to do Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If you are in the other half of the alphabet, you'll come Thursday and Friday, and you'll have online work Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. And if you opt for all online, then you'll have online work to do Monday through Friday. And that will be through Google Classroom for all the courses except the college credit course. That will be in Canvas like usual. 3D modeling, we will learn to use the 3D printer, which I just started up. It's actually going over here, so let's check that out for a minute. I'm going to flip the camera. So this is the 3D printer, and if we look on the inside, it's actually making a little green pattern, and that's going to be chain links in the end. It's melting plastic and spraying out plastic at the same time. If you are in Computer Science Discoveries, we will learn to do a lot of different things on the computer. The highlight of that course is probably making web pages. If you are in Intermediate Math 4, that'll be a continuation of last year, Algebra 2. And then if you're in the Microsoft Office course, we'll be learning Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. I look forward to seeing you in person or online, and we should have a great year. Thanks. Bye.